Data science, let's go. So let's go ahead and create a new R Markdown file. So today we're going to learn about extraction. New Markdown, oh, that's one of the ways. Let's do it that way. File, R Markdown, same thing. Get it to the same place. Many ways to the top of the mountain, choose one. Many ways to the top of the mountain, no many. So what we're going to do is erase all this junk. And I'm going to copy and paste. I already did this already. So I'm going to copy and paste what I have so far. And we're going to do these following four things. We're going to talk about existing data frames within R, extracting data frames from an Excel sheet / CSV, extracting a data frame within Wikipedia, and then extracting a data frame from sportsreference.com. So when it comes to existing data frames, there's one already in R called Iris. It's a flower data set. If you had me, you might remember this, not this quarter, but not Iris, Iris. All right, so if you start typing this, but no matter what, this already exists, okay? It already exists. So you just type it, you can run it, and now it shows up. I'm pretty sure you have to press data. It's already in R, but if you press data Iris, it promises you that. So then now you should have access to viewing the data frame, okay? So here you can see again, you have 150 observations, 5 different columns, 5 variables. You have the species, the actual species, and then you have the sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Okay, great, fantastic. So that's nice. You have some already existing data frames. So let's actually get a data frame using different techniques. So what I'm going to have you all do, I'm going to have you all install these packages, and you're going to have code that allows you to install these packages. So take a moment and install these packages. I did a little magic trick. I just moved this here. It's fine. So make sure you installed each one. I already installed these, so therefore I don't have to install them myself. But when it comes to extracting an Excel sheet, what you can do is hopefully you already installed or you downloaded the NBA Legends data frame. But let's say you're gonna read in a CSV. So in order for you to read in the Excel sheet, what you need to do is make sure that you're in the right directory. So set the working directory, like we did yesterday, choose directory. I'm already in the right directory, so I went to the desktop where you saved the information. So desktop, data science, and then open. Okay. And again, I'm going to copy and paste that up here. I'm going to put it in a particular location because I am particular about my code. And so that's where I'm going to put it. Then I'm going to actually use library tidyverse. And tidyverse is going to be used to read in the CSV file. And I'm also going to do library read Excel to read in the Excel sheet. So remember yesterday we did HRDF, okay, and we did read.csv. I like that function, but it's not the best. This is actually out of the tidyverse function, read underscore CSV, comma, quotations, HR data, and then it will show up, okay? And I prefer using this read underscore CSV because of all the information that it provides. I love this information. It gives you just what type of variables you're doing in terms of computer science, or like how the computer is actually reading in the data, which is fine. And then what you can do is read in the NBA data set, NBA. And so NBA data frame. So if you open up this data frame, if you actually have Microsoft Excel, Windows Excel, I guess Microsoft Excel, on your computer, you can open it up and you'll see that you have 3 different tabs. And the 3 different tabs represent the 3 different legends, to me at least. And the thing is, what you can do is select here the particular tab that you want. It's called a sheet art tab. It's synonymous. So let's say we want KB, okay? Kobe Bryant. So when I run this, now I have all this information. Great. Now I have Kobe Bryant's data frame in here, and I have HR data frame from yesterday. Okay, that's one way of extracting information into R. Okay, fantastic. All right, continuing on, let's extract it from Wikipedia. So assuming that you installed all those packages, in terms of time, I'm just going to do a copy and paste game. And mind you, I already provided the R Markdown file that has all this code, so you don't have to rush through this. But I'll explain what I'm doing first. So library HTML tab allows you to extract the HTML file. If you don't know what that is, it's a easy way. It's a web page, and it extracts tables from the web page. Okay, HTML tab for table, tab for table. All right, so here HTML tab is going to this website, Wikipedia. Okay, it's going to Wikipedia. So it's going to Wikipedia. So let's actually go to Wikipedia. Let's do that. And bam. And for a list of counties in Maryland. So the first, if you notice, this is the first table. You'll see why I say that in a moment. This is table 1. The next table is this, and this is what I want. And mind you, R can, but not at this moment, read in these images. But what I want is this table of counties within Maryland. You can do this for California. You can do this for all the states. In an advanced project version of this class, you'll do that. But here are all the counties. All right, so then what we're going to do is we're going to bring it into R. And so you notice I select 2 because that's the second table that I want. It's going to provide an error. Ignore the error, just saying that it can't read in the images. Boop. Error. Can't read images. MD data frame. Bam. There we go. Money. All right, so this is not clean. We'll talk more about cleaning data. This is treated as a character. We have to do a lot of cleaning here. And we'll talk more about that later on in the class. So from there, that's pretty much it in terms of extracting information from Wikipedia. Let's say we want, let me pull this up. Let's say we want to extract from Sports Reference. This website's kind of cool. So this is it's not a lot of code, but let's just see how it goes. I'm just going to copy and paste because of time. So here you need the library XML. It allows you to extract URLs, which is a version of it's a website, HTTR version of a website. And so this is the website that I want to get. Okay, so if you go here and I copy and paste this and actually go to the website, boom, bam, bam. Okay, LeBron James 2019-2020 season. Okay, I want to extract this and bring this into R. Matter of fact, I want all of this. I want all his regular season data. Boom, boom. Okay. So what I want to do is I'm going to go back to R. Okay. And use this as a URL. I'm going to use this get function. Get is coming from XML. It's going to get the actual function and read HTML table. It's going to, long story short, do some cartwheels and gymnastics and essentially get the tables that I want. There's no point of going too much deeper than that. And so if you do this, LJ 2020 data frame, go here. Now I have all the data set, I have all the data frame from this website. Okay. The thing is, this particular data frame in this current state is dirty. Dirty. So the most of this class of data science is cleaning this data. I'm laughing because that's legitimately most of data science, cleaning and organizing data. So we're going to clean this. We want to clean, we'll see we'll clean this, but we'll clean versions of this. There's a lot of issues with this data frame. Okay. Thank you for your time and have a great day.